Hey, so you know what I feel like doing? Making a vanilla milkshake. You know how to make one?
Nah. But I bet you Shaun White would know.
Funny enough, he lives in our closet. Here, let me show you. He's a little shy.
Back on, man!
Cooking with Shaun White.
Cooking with Shaun White? So, you want to make a milkshake?
Yes, I do.
Well, I'll tell you my secret ingredients right now. Oh, vanilla ice cream, of course. Just a little bit. We have a lot more. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is what I used to have right before I snowboarded for the first time. My mama used to make it. Some milk, and then you want some milk, and then you want some Nesquik chocolate. You can even taste the rabbit. Okay, I'm gonna do this. This is what we used to do. A little help before I would go on my big slopes. A little apple. Okay, a little more healthy. Horseradish. Horseradish is good.
I love horseradish, Shaun. I can't tell you.
Yeah, man, I love it too. This gives it a little twang. Lemon juice. Ooh, that's a lot. He likes the twang. He likes the twang. Ketchup. Wow, this is good. This is just how we used to make it. And with ketchup always goes barbecue sauce. And with honey barbecue sauce goes honey, of course. Oh. Taste it. That really gets me going. Gets me going like Red Bull. Peanuts gives it a little crunch. It's gonna be good. A little crunch. And with peanuts, you gotta counteract that flavor. Some mustard. Goes with ketchup. Keep the health going with these rice cakes. Can't open. Okay. Ranch dressing gives it that vanilla flavor. If you ever notice when you're having ranch dressing, it always has that little vanilla flavor. Next time you have some ranch dressing, try it out. Okay, this makes it really tasty. Wow, that's good. Good stuff. And we already put peanuts in, but why not add some more nuts? Almonds. That's some good stuff. I don't understand why you're laughing. That's how we used to make it. Oh, what's this? Tabasco. I never put this in, but probably would give it a nice add. Nice addition. Concord grape jelly. Make sure you get Concord. If you don't get Concord, you don't know if it's gonna come out right. That's right. Ooh, you got it on your fingers there. That's all right. A good cook always gets it on his fingers. Some garlic. Reminds me of my Roman teacher. When I was in Romania, he would always eat garlic. Forget it.
Yeah, I can't get it out.
Okay, Pop-Tarts. These are quick, they're easy, you just put them in. Bam! And with Pop-Tarts, Nutri-Grain, keep the nutrition going. Man, you're slowing down here. Mini Wheats. I love these guys. I watch these commercials all the time. Mini Wheat guys keeps me going. And then, of course, maple syrup. Now, if you go to your local deli, whoa, a lot of maple syrup there. If you go to your local deli, you can get these easily. You got cheese. One slice of cheese is all you need. That gives it that nice cheesy flavor. And then salami. I mean, salami is the best of the meats. Salami. And in order to get it to fully blend, you need to add a butter. Some butter. That's all you need. You know, that's good right there. Some butter. Add it up. And tortilla chips. You're at the big football game. You're making it for your friends. you put some tortilla chips in. They love that. Oh my god, they absolutely love it. And to top it all off, mayonnaise. So, you're gonna try it, and the whole audience is gonna get to try this, so you're welcome. Oh man. Oh. Yeah. That'll be good.
That looks good.
Yeah, that looks really good. Alright. Try it up, dude! Here, let the camera see, let the camera see.
That looks so good.
It's the real deal. That's how we used to make it.
Cooking with Shaun White.
So, anyway, why is Shaun White in your closet?
Sad story.
Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just like the wide-winged dove sings a song, sounds like she's singing. Ooh, baby, ooh, say ooh. And the days go by like a strand in the wind. Where is the moment we need it the most? You kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. Tell me your blue skies fade to gray. Tell me your passion's gone away.